How does depression relate to the stress immune response? In recent days, mental health has been a hot topic, especially concerning the relationship between depression and the immune system. Many people are curious about how stress impacts our bodies and minds. Understanding this connection is essential, as it can help us navigate our well-being better. Research shows that depression is closely linked to how our immune system responds to stress. When we experience chronic stress, it can disrupt the blood-brain barrier. This barrier is crucial for protecting the brain from harmful substances. Disruption occurs mainly in areas like the nucleus accumbens, which is involved in mood regulation. When the blood-brain barrier becomes more permeable, immune molecules can enter the brain and affect its function. This process is associated with behaviors similar to depression observed in animal studies. Such findings suggest that stress-induced changes in the immune system can influence our mood. Toll-like receptors are part of our innate immune system and play a role in this relationship. When certain receptors, like toll-like receptor 3, are activated, they can lead to behaviors resembling depression and anxiety in experimental animals. This indicates that immune activation through these receptors may impact our emotional states. Neuroinflammation is another critical factor in the connection between stress and depression. Danger signals in the central nervous system can trigger inflammation, which affects how neurons function. The presence of danger-associated molecular patterns and misfolded proteins can initiate inflammatory responses that influence behavior. Inflammasomes, such as NLRP3, are also involved in this immune response related to depression. Their activation leads to the releases of proinflammatory cytokines, including interleukin-1 beta and interleukin-18. These substances have been linked to depressive and anxiety-like symptoms. Interestingly, some interventions targeting these immune pathways show promise. For example, probiotics have demonstrated potential in reducing depressive behaviors. This highlights the role of the immune system in mental health and offers new avenues for treatment. In summary, the relationship between depression and the stress immune response involves several mechanisms. These include blood-brain barrier disruption, activation of immune receptors, neuroinflammation, and the releases of proinflammatory cytokines. Understanding these connections is vital for addressing mental health challenges effectively.